Good morning, K2. It's a brand new day, and this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Are you ready to start? Yippee-I-A! Yay, yay, yay! Okay, what day is it today? Today is Wednesday. That's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday, super duper. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of February. That's right. I'm sending you lots of love. Now, help me read the date. Come on, let's do it. Today is Wednesday, February 16th, 2022. Super duper duper. Now, stop. Look. Listen, we're going to review our consonants. Here we go. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T as in table. T says T, T, T. The name of this letter is R. It makes a sound R as in ring. R says R, R, R. The name of this letter is Y. It makes a sound ya as in yarn. Y says ya, ya, ya. The name of this letter is J. It makes a sound J as in jar. J says J, J, J. The name of this letter is B. It makes a sound B as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says B, B, B. Super duper duper. You guys are great lookers. Now, it says up here, ABC 1, 2, 3, page 95. Wow, you guys are making such great progress. So we're going to open up to ABC 1, 2, 3, page 95. Here we go. And we're going to write our name nice and neatly at the top of the page. And it says, look at the letter at the beginning of each row. Say the name of each picture. Circle the pictures which begin with the consonant sound. That begin, the first one that you hear, okay? Here we go. T, tiger, soda, turtle. Okay, here we go. Tiger. Does tiger begin with the T sound? Yes. Circle the tiger. Soda. Does soda begin with the T sound? No. Leave it alone. Next one. Turtle. Does turtle begin with the T sound? Yes. Circle the turtle. Rabbit. Does rabbit begin with the R sound? Yes. Circle the rabbit. What about ham? Ham. Does ham begin with the R sound? No, leave it alone. Rain. Does rain begin with the R sound? Yes, circle the rain. Very good. Yeah. Church, yarn, yellow. Does church begin with the Y sound? Church. No, leave it alone. Yarn. Does yarn begin with the Y sound? Yes. Circle the yarn. Yellow. Does yellow begin with the Y sound? Yes. Circle the yellow. Okay. Jar, jump rope, key. Woohoo! Does jar begin with the j sound? Jar. Yes, circle the jar. Jump rope. Does jump rope begin with the j sound? Yes, circle the jump rope. Key. Does key begin with the j sound? No, leave it alone. Okay, so that's our ABC 1, 2, 3. Now it says writing with phonics, page 6. So let's get our writing with phonics book out. And let's open it up to page 6. And it says, circle the pictures that begin with B. That make the sound boo, boo. Color the pictures. So we have balloon, book, fish, boat. Does balloon begin with the B sound? Yeah, circle the balloon. What about book? Does book begin with the B sound? Yes, circle the book. Fish. Does fish begin with the B sound? No, leave it alone. Boat. Does boat begin with the B sound? Yes, circle the boat. Okay, and then it says trace and write. There's the lowercase b and the capital B. Make sure to do it nice and neatly. You guys are amazing. I'm so proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.